Hey, how you guys doing? It's Gianta here, and in this video, I'm gonna go over the shoulder with you and show you the best AI tools for content creation. And I'm also gonna show you how you can use them as a Canva alternative. So this is gonna be a Canva alternative tutorial for beginners. So if you're somebody who's just getting started using AI, and sometimes you might not know exactly what you want to create, then this video is perfect for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna create a YouTube video thumbnail and show you what I do to actually get it done. So I took a picture of myself and I uploaded it to Facebook, and then I downloaded it to my computer, and now I'm going to upload it into this tool right here. So I'm going to take this picture and I'm going to take an image that I created before. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to type up here in the prompt assist that that I want to create an image for YouTube. So so here I go doing that, and what's going to happen is it's going to um about the okay. So this is going to be the best AI tools for for content creation. Okay, so I have included a picture of myself. Okay, so I'm just asking for a prompt that, that way I could create this uh, thumbnail. And okay, so it should be in Mr. B style. Okay, so it's a high quality image, and then I can um, say, so it can include robots. Okay, and I want the thumbnail to Okay, so I just got done with that. That should be enough right there. And then I hit this, and then it's going to come up with a prompt for me. And then is what I want to do is I want to take a look at that prompt after to make sure it came out the right way. So it's going to generate the prompt, and then I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to look at what it says because I don't just want to add it. So here I have the, here I have uh, the title of my thumbnail, and I'm going to just read over this so I'm not black, so I'm gonna take that out. Um, and I'm gonna take out the hair. So um, okay, so the beard's fine, and I want the exact exact facial features, so that's good. Okay, so here's the expression. Okay, okay, so here's what it's gonna put in the background, and this should be good. So here's the prompt right here. And since I put my pictures in here, I'm going to just also add, I'm going to I'm going to add to use myself from image one. All right. And then I come down here, and then I'm gonna hit generate, and it's gonna create a thumbnail for me. So there it is. There's my thumbnail, right? And so I'm going to use this for YouTube. So I'm going to download this, and then I'm gonna use it when I go to create my video. So I just want to check down here because a um, there is a ratio. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure it's how it should be. But this is actually the uh, I mean the thumbnail that it would use. So I mean it was that easy to create a very powerful image right there. And then I'm gonna use it for YouTube, right? So it, that's my image right there. So it's this easy to create high quality images. So if you want to get your hands on this right here, like the prompt helps you to create it, and then it goes in here, and it helps you to create exactly what you want, right? And this is a really cool, image that now I'm going to use it for YouTube, right? So, if you want to get your hands on this, is all you have to do is click on the link below this video, and you're gonna be taken to a page, and it's gonna be the first link in the video, and you're going to opt in, and then it's gonna take you to a page to get our funnel builder tool to help you to build out your pages, and then it's gonna ask you if you want the uh, uh, the goal setting app, right? So you're gonna get the funnel builder tool and the goal setting app, and it's gonna be $35, and then it's gonna ask you if you want 2 weeks free of premium, right? And this is a premium tool, so you're gonna want to check that box. So it's only $35 to get your hands on this, and you could try this for 2 weeks free, right? And so it also says why the prompt works, right? So here's how it's gonna actually look. So it tells you this as well, and it tells you exactly what you want to have in here and why this actually works. And here's what it comes up with. So this is a lot better than using tools that don't have this stuff. Like, there's a lot of tools out here that don't give you this feedback, but this does. So you could get this for $35, and check the box for 2 weeks free of premium, and you'll be able to get this inside of premium, right? So we have a funnel builder tool, we have the goal setting app, and that's $35, and then you get premium with that, right? So you could get started for only $35. Try this out for 2 weeks free, and it will cost you nothing but $35. So click on the link below this video and get started today. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.